Today we are going to start with email writing. Okay, so email. You are very well known to this fact that what is an email. What is an email? Who will tell me? Who will tell me what is an email? Raise up your hands. Anybody can tell me? Email writing. Anybody can tell? Okay, so let me tell you that what is an email. An email is it means electronic mail, because in this world of internet, computer, when the so-called old form of mails, letters, they have turned out to be outdated, or they have turned out to be an old fashioned, as it takes lot of time or it consumes lot of time to be delivered. So ultimately what is there, that a new method of sending messages has been invented. This is called as an email. Okay, so email means electronic mail. So what are its uses? Why it is more common in use? First of all, it is an instant message system in which you can write on the message and immediately it can be delivered to the receiver. Okay, the next main thing is it is inexpensive. Without any cost you can send. Okay, without any cost you can send attachments, you can attach photographs, you can share your memories, you can write down about your feelings. Okay, and moreover it can be delivered at the same time, right? Okay, so sometimes some urgent and important messages has to be sent. Then how it is to be given? It is to be given in the form of email, right? In the form of an email, right? So let us write down first of all what is an email. An email, the sending and receiving of electronic messages is called email. It is inexpensive, instant. It is inexpensive, it is instant, and moreover it is convenient. Many students are entering still now. And moreover it is convenient. Okay, so these are the, you can say, these are the main uses of email writing. That what it is inexpensive, it is instant, and it is convenient also. So what is an email? I'll shift little bit from this side now, as the board is covering only that part much. What is email? I repeat, the sending and receiving of electronic messages is called email. What is email? Sending and receiving of electronic messages is called email, right? Now email is, it is inexpensive, it is instant, as well as it is convenient. Okay, so what are the important parts of email? Otherwise, so when you open up in computer, everything appears in you, whatever you have to fill. But let us see here what you have to fill in. Okay, so what are the, keep it up to you after the class. Okay, so what are the parts of email? Right, so what are the different parts of email? So you will remember that email addresses, the main part is email address. Whose email address? Now otherwise, so you know that you send the mails on mailing address of the persons. Okay, that this is the mailing address, he is living at so and so place. But here in case of email writing, what you have the mailing address of the sender as well as the receiver. Okay, only what you will do, you will use only, okay, the main address of the sender and the receiver. Email address means email IDs of sender and receiver. What you will write down? You will write down the email IDs of sender and receiver. Okay, next, subject. Yes, subject must also be included here. You always write down subject. Without subject, you cannot send an email. So what kind of subject you will write down? So long subjects you will never write down. So the subject should be brief, okay, and ultimately it need not to be a complete sentence. It should be brief, okay, and it should give a clear idea. It should give clear idea of the content, and it need not to be a complete sentence. Need not to be a complete sentence. It need not to be a complete sentence. It is not necessary that you will write down it in a complete sentence, including all the helping verbs. Okay, it is not necessary. So, how you will write down? You will write down it in brief way. Okay, in a very brief way, you can write it down. Okay, but it must be related to the content, that what are you are going to write down in it. You must write it down. Okay, next afterwards, the another important part is salutation. Salutation, for example, dear sir, dear friend, to whom you are going to write down. You have to write down salutation also. Okay, you have to write down salutation to whom you are writing. For example, dear friend, dear sir. In this manner, you will write down. Okay, next afterwards, you will start with opening statement. Okay, opening statement. So what is opening statement? Opening statement means that you will thank the person for the message. Suppose if the person has sent you the message, start with the very, you can say, affectionate line. Okay, right? For example, with the pleasantry greeting, hi, how are you? Okay, in this manner. Begin with a you will begin with a pleasantry greeting, asking, hi, how are you? And thank for the message. And thank for the message you received. You will thank for the message you have received. You will also write down thank you for what you have, for the previous message which you have received. So this is very important to start with the pleasantry greeting. with very, you can say in a pleasing manner, you will ask, hello, how are you? Hope everything is fine, like in this manner. Okay. So next, there must be clarity in tone. Whatever you write, there must be clarity in tone. Clarity in tone means whatever you are writing, it must be very much clear to whom you are writing, and the type of words, the type of language that you are using, it must be very clear. Okay. Next is, you can make paragraphs. I'm rubbing it. Yes, next is make paragraphs. Okay, so as I always tell you, make different paragraphs for different ideas. Make different paragraphs for different ideas to be presented. Every time whenever you are going to present a new idea, you have to start with a new paragraph. This is one of the rules that you will always observe in writing a language. You will make different kind of paragraphs. Okay. So, right? Clear? I hope that it is clear now that how to write down an email. Okay, then afterwards you will give a complimentary close. Okay, so how you will write down? So should I rub it down? Okay, I'm going to rub it down in order to write down the format. Okay, right, fine. I'm going to rub it down. Let us see the format. First of all, from here you can make a box, write an email address, for example, abc@gmail.com. Only email ID. To also write, for example, xyz@gmail.com. Okay, so in this manner you will write down. Okay, that's fine. Then afterwards you can write down date and subject. Date, for example. Okay, and then you will write down subject. Subject must be very much clear. Okay, it need not to be a complete sentence, and you have to write down, you can say, subject in very, you can say, precise manner, but it should be related to the content. Okay, then afterwards, body of message. Body of message. And then here, for example, complimentary close. If you are writing to your friend, don't write down yours sincerely. You will simply write down, for example, you can write down with love. Okay, okay, in simply with love, with care, simple, these kind of things. Or if you are writing to your elders, write down regards. Right, that's it. You need not to write down yours, this, that. Okay, but if you are writing formal ones, then you can write down complimentary close. And then your name. And then afterwards, your name, it must be included in the, you can say, it must be included there in case of email writing. Okay, so while you note down, I'm just giving you 1 minute. You can note it down there so that we can write down the question. So clear? Now let us write down the question. Write down the question, please. I'm speaking the question. Write down an email to your friends. Write down an email to your friends. Write down an email to your friends congratulating him on winning. Congratulating him on winning the first prize. Congratulating him on winning the first prize in 200-meter race at state level sports competition. 200-meter race at state level sports competition. Right? I repeat the question. Write down. Write an email to your friend congratulating him to win a 200-meter race or to win a prize in 200-meter race at state level competition. 200-meter race at state level competition. Clear? This question, now let us start how to write down an email. First of all, write down from, in front of from, write down the email address of your friends, any imaginary email address. Don't write down ABC. This is just for reference. You can write down, okay, for example, Puneet_9, whatever you want. Okay, so write in this manner. Write down the email address of your friends. Okay, then make a next box where you will write down the email, here your email address to of your friends. Okay, so write here the email address of your friends to whom you are going to send an email. Then write date in your notebooks. Write date. Write date. After date, write down the subject. So what will be the subject here? You can raise up your hands so that I can unmute you. Just raise up your hands. Yes, I can unmute you. Let me unmute you. Yes, 1 minute. Khyati, 1 minute. Yes, Kritika, I have unmuted Khyati. Japji also. Yes. Speak out.
Congratulations for winning the race.
Congratulations on winning the race. Not for. Okay, congratulations on winning the race. Clear? Okay. So in the subject, you will write down congratulations on winning a race. Then afterwards, we have to start with salutation. Start with salutation. What you will write down? In salutation, what you will write down? Let me write down salutation part here. Here's salutation. So yes, what you will write down in salutation? Yes.
Friend.
My dear friends. Okay. So what you can write down? My dear friends. Okay. Next, let us start with the body of the message. Okay. As I told you, please start with pleasing greeting. How you will start? Give the ideas.
Hi. Hi, how are you? I hope you are fine. Or we can write like this. I hope this email finds you in the pink of your health and high spirit.
Okay. You need not to be so dramatic. You can simply write down, hi, how are you? Or please accept my heartiest congratulations or heartfelt congratulations on winning the first prize in the race competition. Okay, so you can write down in this manner. Okay, please accept my heartfelt congratulations on winning a first prize in the race competition. Right, so next further what you will explain? Then speak something about his achievement. This is really, or this is a brilliant achievement on your part, and you have put your heart and stern efforts throughout the year. Okay, throughout the year. Okay, so you will just talk to the point. Okay, write one or more two lines about his achievement. Also, you can write down. Okay, and now you can also mention with this achievement what has happened, or with this achievement you have turned out to be, or you can say you have become the fastest runner in the state by setting a record of you can say
Can be right.
you can say of 2 minutes 30 seconds time. Okay, you will mention. Be realistic, right? Be
Can
realistic.
we write like this?
Yes.
That this all is the result for your hard work.
Okay, this is the result of your hard work, right? Then
You did very well, and this is a brilliant achievement.
of course this is a brilliant achievement on your part, right? Then it's
And
a
we can
deep.
start like this. That I'm very happy to know about this. That you did very well and achieved second position.
To practice day and night for this moment.
Yes, yes, you will write down in this manner, dear friend.
Whenever I used to go to your house, always your mom used to say that you
Yes,
were in
you
the
will
practice
always
ground.
work hard. Okay, as with hard work only one can achieve success. This is like a dream come true for you. Okay, dream come true for you, as you have longed for this dream, or you have longed for a long time. You have longed it to become the fastest runner in the state. But now your journey does not end here. You have to work hard more in order to get position in the nationals. Okay, don't put a full stop to your hard work and your dreams. Okay, work harder than.
Also, you stopped eating fast food, etc. You stopped going to different places wherever all of our friends used to go.
Okay, right. Okay, right. Fine, that's fine. Okay, avoid eating fast food, have healthy diet. Okay, and you must also be knowing the loopholes. Okay, where you are lacking. So now you work on your loopholes in order to get better results. Okay, and don't write too long email. No, don't write too long that we will get more marks. No, but whatever you have written, it must be accurate. Okay, so that's it. And then ultimately thanking you. How you will end complimentary close? Your friend and then your name. Okay, your friend and then your name you will write down. That's clear? Is it difficult or is it easy? It's quite easy. Okay, it's quite easy. Okay, so in this manner you will write down an email. Okay, so any other child who want to give ideas, who want to share his or her ideas? Yes, anyone? Okay, so 2 minutes I would like to talk about Young Warrior 1. Just raise up those students whom I have put up in the group of Young Warriors. Yes, raise up your hands. Yes, good. 4 are there, but more are there. Rhythm, right? Okay. So there, what you have to do, you must have watched that video that I have sent you. How many of you have watched? Tell me honestly. Nothing that I can ask you. Just tell me so that I can come to know how you can make that plan. Can anybody tell? Okay, only 4 have watched, 5. Okay. So watch that video. You will get easy idea. It's very simple activity. Okay, let me tell you here on the board also that how you have to do that. You just send me. Okay. For example, this is the plan of your house. Okay, right? So you can make it here, it is living room. Okay, then adjoining it here, for example, this is the lobby area. Okay, imaginary one of your house you can make. This is lobby, this is one bedroom. Okay, then ultimately what is this? This is puja room, suppose. Okay, then again bedroom. Okay, this is garden. Okay, and this is your porch where the car is parked. Okay, suppose this is the plan of your house. Okay, then color it with different colors. You will put different colors here according to your choice. For example, garden, you feel soothing there, you can put green color here. Living room, it can be puja room, you can put golden light, whatever you want, any color you want. Okay, what you have to do, just think that what kind of emotion you are feeling. Okay, in living room, how you feel, speak the words which are related to that emotion. Yes, let me unmute
Happy
you.
and excited because new person might have come, our guest might have come, so we are excited.
Just give the emotion. Just give the name of emotion. That how you feel
Excited.
there. Huh?
Excited.
What? Happy?
I'm excited.
Excited. So write down excited here. Then any other,
Comfortable.
add 2 to 3 words. Okay, excited, energetic. Okay, write 2 to 3 words. And in lobby, how you feel? Relaxing, suppose. Entertaining.
I'm rejuvenating.
Huh?
Rejuvenating, relaxing, ma'am.
Rejuvenating. Okay, so these are 3 emotions we have attached here. Bedroom, relax,
Relaxed, entertainment.
Comfortable.
restful. Okay, so in this manner, write down 2 to 3 emotions here. Puja room, for example,
Devotion.
devoted,
Devotion.
devoted,
Spiritual.
calmness. Okay, related to God. Again, in bedroom, you can write on the same emotions. In garden,
Ma'am, relaxing.
refreshed, refreshed,
Closer to nature.
close to nature. And in porch also, you can write down any emotions. So in this manner, you will write down 2 to 3 emotions there. Okay, so is it difficult? First of all, tell me, is it difficult?
Ma'am, no.
It's very easy. Just make it on a simple page. Click a photograph. Okay, don't make PDF. Simple click a photograph, right?
Ma'am, JPG.
JPG, simple photograph on from your phone. But at every, you can say on the page, write down your name, class, okay, and school name, right?
And can we
Name,
make it on
class,
A4
and
sheet?
school name also, because it needs to be uploaded at CBSE site. Okay, last week ones I have uploaded. I hope they will reach to me by tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just make, hardly it will take you 5 minutes. Okay, so you can do it and send it to me on my personal contacts, right? Or you can send it in the group. Send in the group only, so that I can locate it there easily. Not in class group, but the group that I have formulated for this one. Okay, right? So that's all for today. And this email you have to write down in your notebooks, right?